gentlemen, I hope this video meets you well. Today, by the special grace of God, we are going to be doing, we are making double soup. We are using complete double soup, which is size 45. Here is how we are going to get our pattern. This is what we are using to get our pattern. You can use your cardboard or anything that you know that is a bit thick to get your pattern done cut. Now, what we are using is this kind of wave on. You all know where we can get it. Our measurement is going to be 12 inch, which is the length. The length is going to be 12 inch while the breadth is going to give us 1 inch and 1 bar. What did I say? 1 inch and 1 bar. Now, after getting this, you have to duplicate it into 2, right? You have to duplicate it into what? Into 2. Then cut it out into shape. This way. Now I want to set it on my last, because what we are doing is size 45 and here's the last over here. So this is how I'm going to do it. My first measurement stops this area. Are you with me? Here's our first attempt. The second one is going to be this way. Then after this, we can now fix the middle here and know what next. So stay tuned. So I'm going to measure the half inch and the back. So if this gives me half inch and a bar, now we can see the way it is. From here to here now, our measurement is what? Half inch and 1 bar. That is 0.6, right? So same applicable as this. So that is what we are going to use to get this as well. So my breadth is going to be 0.6, which is half inch and a bar. And let me measure it this way. So, but for the length, let me give it 2 inch. Now, this is going to be in between this side. And don't forget, it doesn't come straight, it comes slant. So how am I going to get that? I'm going to get it through this. You see? I'm going to get it through this. I'm going to get it through this. You can see this is how it's going to be. This is how it's going to be. Then after getting this, I'm going to use it on my scotch tape. After getting this one, from here to here has to give me 0.6 inch, and that's where this one comes in. From here to here, 0.6 inch. Shoot this here. From here to here, 0.6 inch. This. Then I can straight it, I can slant it this way. Now after slanting it, Now I'm going to fix in the other one. it again by measuring at 0.9. 0.9. 8 points gives us 1 inch. So don't forget, the length is by what? It's by 12 inch. By 12. Now, now, this is going to be this way. So, this is going to be. Now, this one is like this. So, this one now, this one is going through this. If this one is like this, this one is going to be like this. As well, if you want to last it on our head as well, on our midsole as well, from here to here we have to measure it, and it has to give us 0.6, which is half inch at the back. So this is how it's going to be. This one as well, it has to give us this. So if you divide this. Now you can see that we are done with our upper